My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Cyb3rDrag0nz. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how to clean your computer from this ransomware. So before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data, all that can be opened easily. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Cyb3rDrag0nz ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So very soon it encrypts files and damages the files. It changes the desktop background into this one, and it also reveals the ransom note in the form of the pop-up window. It tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this particular ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the software, and then once the software is successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer with its help. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove this ransomware. And the second part of my video will show you how exactly Combo Cleaner functions. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.